Hello, my name is Chef Henry Omenogor. I'm the founder of Bakers at Work and author of Bread Baking University. Today, I'm teaching you about izalproduction. Izalproduction as a product is one of the items you can produce from the comfort of your home and sell. Don't be lazy. Create a product and sell. Kindly subscribe to our channels, YouTube. Click on subscribe so that anytime I post, you will get more lessons. Now, the first item you need is Texapon. Texapon is a foaming agent, and you need just 2 tablespoons of it to start your production. Kindly follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Second item is Phenol. Phenol is a carbolic acid, and it's important in your production. The next item you need is Lysol. It's a pine oil, and it will help very well. The next one is just water. So you need water to add to it. And the next one is Izal booster. It will help to activate and strengthen the mixture when you add it. The next one is actually concentrate. Concentrate will help, is more of a germicide. So the next one is also whitener. This whitener will determine how clean white your izal will be. So let's start. Let's start the process. So here I add Texapon. That's what I'm adding. First, Texapon is what I'm adding. And once I've added that, I'm adding Phenol. And when I add Phenol, I'll add Lysol. And each of these items will be added to make a complete izal. These are chemical agents you're putting together. Learn a skill. Start something from home. These are small businesses that will promote. You don't need to break the bank to start this. With the little capital you have, you can start from home, package your izal, then go. Don't be ashamed. Go and sell. If you don't promote yourself, if you don't market your product, no one will market it for you. So rise up right now and start something. Izal is one of the products you can start with as a home business package. Let me also add this, that if you want to learn our biggest concentration, which is bread baking, follow us on our YouTube here. Follow us on our TikTok and Facebook. Join our WhatsApp group. Learn. Join us on our classes on bread baking. Now, after adding all of these things together that I've mentioned, you get it together, your liquid is formed, and after then, once you've made your izal, you keep it for the next 12 hours so that it can be worked upon. After then, you can now come and then package them in different kind of bottles or plastics. Branding becomes another part too. You need to have your stickers, you have your brand name, maybe your company name. If you don't have a company, that doesn't mean you cannot start. Kick off today. If you have any challenge, or you want to start big time, or you are having any little challenge on how to start, follow our channel here. I will teach you how to brand, market your product. There are restaurants everywhere. There are schools. Go to schools and sell. Don't even bother if you don't have a brand name, you don't have a sticker. Make your product. Produce your izal. Go to the next school around you. Go to the dormitory. Go to universities. Go to restaurants. Go to hotels. Go to supermarkets. Sell to them. How good is your own izal? That's also what's important. If it's better than what's in the market, why not? People are ready to buy from you. Rise up today. My name is Chef Henry Omenogor. I am your go-to when it comes to teaching you how to run small-scale businesses, skills, craft, and bread baking is our specialization. Join our bread class, physical classes in Ghana, physical classes in Nigeria, from Kumasi to Wenchi, Wenchi to Bolga, Bolga to Walewali, Walewali to Tema, Tema to Accra, to Kaswa, to Bubumbura, to Takoradi, everywhere. Thank you very much. God bless you for watching. Thanks. Do you want to start a bread baking business professionally? Join us in Accra, Lagos, Kumasi, and Delta. Thank you. WhatsApp me now.